Morning everybody, and welcome to the AVM UASOC channel. So this is a channel where we talk about drones and we learn about drones, we discuss different things about drones. We also are going to be looking at companies and drone companies and how to become a drone company yourself. Go ahead and check out our first video. Our first video is all about us and who we are and what we do. Now let's go ahead and talk about our drones. What are drones? Well, the word drone stands for a dynamic, remotely operated navigation equipment system. Okay, so that is what a drone system is. If you look at the top left, it is a vehicle that is controlled remotely. You do not control this thing by sitting on this vehicle. You control this thing using radio wave technology. If you go one down, drones are used for various purposes, but the most used one of all is to be eyes in the sky. I used to work with an instructor and he used to say that a drone is just a glorified camera, a glorified selfie stick. The most commonly known drone is the UAS. It is the Unmanned Aerial System drone. Generally, when you hear the term drone, you automatically think something that flies. A drone can be something that works on the ground as well. We'll talk about that. But usually you think about something that is in the air. This legally, in terms of regulations, is known as a UAS, an Unmanned Aerial System. We then go on over to the right here. We use aerial drones in security to assist in capturing criminals and preventing theft. This is just one of many ways that we use our drones. Just an example for people to start getting a little bit of additional knowledge to why drones are such a big thing nowadays. There are drones for terrain, waterscape, and for the skies as well. So that means that you do not just have drones that fly. Yes, that is the most commonly known drone. However, you also have drones that go on the ground. These are called rovers. And you have water drones as well, which are called ROVs, remotely operated vehicles. So your water ones literally can go underwater and float on the top. Ground ones can just do a lot of hard-hitting terrain and different sort of landscapes. And then your skies are the most prominent one because these are where you can use these for most things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for joining us today on the AVM YouTube channel. If you are a drone company but you've gotten stuck somewhere, or if you are wanting to start a drone company, please allow yourselves to contact us because we will assist you with this. Specifically, we are shifting our business's focus to UASOC facilitation. So if you need to start a drone business and you need to get the right certificates, but you're struggling to do that or you don't know how to do that, go ahead and check out the end bit of this video. You'll know what to do. Are you trying to build your own drone company, but you are not sure of what steps to take? That's where we come in. At AVM Solutions, we are here to help you get your own UASOC and start your own drone company. Please go ahead and contact me, myself, Josh Owen, on either doodlestarrer@gmail.com. I know it's a funny email, but it is the email that is known within the drone industry. You've also got my number there as well. Again, a public number for the drone industry, 082-883-4455. For anyone who is international or free roaming, it is +2782, okay? +2782-883-4455. Please go ahead, hit me up, let me know that you need your own UASOC, formerly known as an ROC for anyone who is clued up. And finally, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching and sticking till the end. We would really appreciate if you like and subscribe. Just show your support towards us. We'll keep releasing awesome content like this every week. We will release content like this for a little bit so you guys can enjoy the process with us. And we'll see you in the next one.